Welcome back, and this is part of the channel where I go through a past exam question. This one was worth 5 marks and it involved the laws of logs. If you haven't seen my video on laws of logs, please click the tab above or look in the description below. It featured in a past IB paper, and let's dive in. Okay, so before we start, it does say that we need to leave the answer in form natural log k, where k is a positive integer. Start the clock. So natural log 3 plus natural log 4 is the product of the two. So here we go, log a plus log b is log ab. So our final answer for this one will just be natural log 3 times 4, which is 12. And we have left our answer in what they suggested, which was positive integer. On part B of the question, we are going to move this value up to the power. That, again, is in one of the rules here. This is a power rule. So therefore, then we have natural log 2 cubed, which is the same as natural log 8. And again, we have left our answer in a singular log form with a positive integer. Let's have a look at the part C. Therefore, then we have minus log. Right, okay, so the best way to do this is think of this as minus 1 times natural log of a half. And what we'll do is we'll use the power rule again here. We'll bring this minus 1 up and put it at the top here. So what we'll do is we'll have natural log of half raised to the power of minus 1. Now, this is like a sort of an indices rule here. That means 1 divided by a half. So therefore, then you would have natural log of 1 over a half. And if you do that, then 1 divided by a half, how many times does a half go into 1? That'll be 2. So our answer to this one will be natural log 2. And again, we have left our answer as a positive integer. Stop the clock. Okay, log rules. Do you find them easy, difficult? Let me know in the comments below. Would you like me to go through more past exam questions? I'll see you next time.